gold. Gold had a nice jump here. You know my opinion about gold, lots of options here, but in essence what I think is going on is a lateral movement, which is a consolidation. A consolidation on the way to higher levels. We have not seen the top in gold, in the same way that we haven't seen the top in silver, in platinum, no, palladium, we have plenty more upside in all these metals. And gold is coming up. If we are in an ABC that is behind us right here, we're just working on another ABC. Okay, you can see this is impulsive, looks like a third wave. So you have a 1, 2, that's 3, potentially fourth wave, another break higher, that could be your A, and then a B, and then a C. Okay, now here's silver, definitely interested to go higher. There is a slight issue here in terms of the time scale. That is most likely a triangle. The question is, where is the beginning of this triangle? Because the time scale would suppose that it relates to the second wave here, the structure, and you can't have this as a fourth wave ending here. That's too brief. You see, it's too brief. So if the third wave ended here, if it is a third wave, then yeah, there is a fighting chance that this is indeed a correct reading of a fourth wave ending here, and now we're in a fifth wave, which is a big deal. Because if this is a fifth wave that relates to the black scale, look what happened with the first wave, look what happened with the third wave. So if that is the case, silver is going for a major re-rating. It is a substantial jump that could now unfold. Will take it easily above 42. Yeah. But it's not guaranteed, of course. It's possible that the third wave indeed ended here, and that is part of an ongoing fourth wave. So it will not make a huge headway, yeah, a huge breakout here above this level, but it'll come down and continue with lateral movement for several more weeks. Now, there is another reading which is much more dramatic. I don't necessarily agree with this reading. I'm not excluding it, but it is there. It is there that this is a 1, 2, and that's 1, and that's 2 on the lower scale. Yeah, even though the labelings are a bit bigger, that could be a lower scale, and we are shooting up in a third wave. Some would argue that this could be entire 1, all of that. That is not very likely. If it is the case, this correction is way too brief, and the correction is almost certainly going to continue. Sure. Okay, so that's the situation with silver. So the takeaway of this description, technical description, is that you want to watch this level. You want to see how it behaves when it gets there. If it just slices through the resistance here, it goes high, it continues to fly, so-called like this, you know, then you know this is an impulse wave, and we'll adjust the wave count accordingly.